Hey all, in this video, this can be a very short one, but I want to resolve this problem of basically our icons and stuff like that being stretched out. So I want them to just kind of fit. So to do that, we're going to head over to our w_attachment where we set this as kind of the preview. I'm going to go ahead and remove the padding. There should be some in here. I can't remember what it is that kind of sets the image to be inside just a bit. Let me check really fast. Yeah, right, it's under style. So here we have our padding. So I'm just going to set these to 0. When I hit compile, it should fill out the button. So now, underneath, with our button selected, we're going to go ahead and wrap it with a size box. And here we're just going to go ahead and give an override of what is a rough size of what we think would look good. But this is really kind of where your min and max should be set up. But we're just going to make this a 250 by 250 image. And now when we hit play, it should be a perfect square. So, well, like you can see here, here's our new image. So pretty straightforward. Nothing really, as you can say, difficult. But I want to reset this for the pressed padding and see if that'll give a little nicer result when we click it. So something like that. So we're probably going to shrink it down. So that way it's that shows 12 and 12. Or no, 12, 1. Okay. So we're going to change this just to, let's see, try something like 5 all across. So yeah, that's just a nice indication of, hey, you clicked it. So yeah, that's all we're going to do in this video. Very short, very simple. We're just going to go ahead and get that so that way it'll display nicely for when we set up that system, which will probably be in the next video, I'm thinking. But anyways, that's going to wrap this one up, and I'll see you in the next one.